Warfare used to be guided by doctrine, written strategies, learned behavior, and human judgment shaped by experience. Today, those foundations are being replaced by something quieter and far more influential: code. Algorithmic warfare is the shift from human-authored doctrine to machine-optimized decision rules. Instead of following static playbooks, modern systems adapt continuously, refining strategy based on data rather than tradition. Doctrine used to be slow. It took years of conflict, analysis, and debate to update how forces operated. Algorithms update in real time. Every engagement, near miss, or failure becomes new input. Strategy evolves continuously without waiting for consensus. This creates a fundamental shift in control. Rather than asking commanders to decide how to fight, algorithms determine which actions statistically produce the best outcomes under current conditions. Human leadership defines objectives, but the methods increasingly emerge from machine logic. Algorithms excel at pattern recognition. They detect correlations humans miss, identify inefficiencies instantly, and optimize resource use across massive systems. In complex environments with too many variables for human intuition, algorithmic decisions outperform experience. That advantage compounds. Once one side adopts algorithmic warfare, others are forced to respond. Operating on slower, human-centric doctrine becomes a disadvantage. Strategy accelerates not because anyone prefers it, but because competition demands it. There's a hidden danger here. Algorithms don't understand meaning. They understand metrics. If success is poorly defined, systems may optimize for outcomes that look good numerically but create long-term instability. A machine can win tactically while undermining strategic goals. This is why oversight matters, but oversight itself becomes harder as speed increases. Humans struggle to interrogate decisions made faster than conscious thought. By the time questions are asked, actions are already complete. Algorithmic warfare also blurs accountability. When outcomes emerge from adaptive systems rather than explicit orders, responsibility becomes diffuse. Did a commander choose the action, or did the system evolve toward it? These questions don't have easy answers. Still, the momentum is undeniable. Algorithms are already shaping logistics, targeting priorities, cyber response, and escalation management. Doctrine becomes fluid, rewritten continuously by data rather than dictated by manuals. The battlefield becomes a feedback loop. Victory belongs not to the side with better plans, but to the side with better systems for learning. Algorithmic warfare doesn't announce itself. There are no banners, no declarations. It works quietly, invisibly, reshaping decisions one optimization at a time. And once code becomes doctrine, war stops being something humans fully control. It becomes something they supervise.